box. David Garrard, Joey Harrington, Chris Chambers, Josh Reed, Thomas Jones. Deuce McAllister, Chad Johnson. Well, there we go for the Browns. Got Jim Brown, number 559 out of 1,000. Tony Romo and Damon Howard. Hines Ward for the Colts, Rookie of the Year contenders. Anthony Gonzalez, number 648 out of 1,000. Willis McGahee, Plaxico Burress, Kellen Winslow. Jason Campbell, Troy Williamson, Jake Delhomme, Warwick Dunn, and Reggie Bush. Ronald Curry, Terrell Owens, TJ Usmanzadi, Daniel Tomlinson, and Cadillac Williams. Vernon Davis, Peyton Manning. We got for the Vikings. Round numbers, Andre Ellison, number 845 out of 1,000. We got Derek Mason and Chad Pennington. Edgar and James, Bernard Berrien, Jamal Lewis, Frank Gore, and Matt Schaub. Got Brian Westbrook, Javon Walker, Mark Bulger. And for the Vikings, we got Brian Robeson, rookie ticket autograph. Brandon Jones. Roy Williams, Tom Brady. Rex Grossman. Another redemption. They're terrible about that, huh? Number 106. Check who that is. Alan Branch. And Alex Smith. Donovan McNabb. Jay Cutler. Greg Jennings. Chris Brown and Ronnie Brown. Sean Alexander. Reggie Wayne. Matt Leinart. For the Colts, another Anthony Gonzalez. Draft class. Number 195 out of 250. And Lee Evans.